Hi student, welcome to online classes of South Point English Reading School. Me, Avdesh Kumar Sharma, I am going to teach you health. In health, we discuss today about the structure of heart. Heart. Heart is the our dedicated parts and that help to pump the blood inside our brain, capillaries and arteries, and through that we get nutrition and we are able to live. So heart is very important part of our body system and it play a very vital role for performing different type of the activities. So heart is a hollow muscular structure. It is cone-shaped and its size is just like as our owner's closed fist, and it is composed by the muscles, that is cardiac muscles, and it is lined by a type of the muscles, that is pericardium muscles, that is thinner and transparent. It means it is very thinner, and transparent means we can easily see from one side to another side, and its pericardial muscles is very hard and stronger than the other type of the muscles, because pericardial muscle is formed by the union of the voluntary and involuntary muscles. So it's perform both type of functions, that is performed by the voluntary and involuntary muscles. Pericardial muscles especially found inside our hearts, and it is more stronger than the other parts of the organ, and it not contains any type of bones like as other part of our body. It is totally made of the muscles, and it performs two type of functions, and that is performed by the type of fluids, pericardium fluids. Pericardium fluids is help to reduce the frictions between its a layer of muscles. So its main function of main functions of heart's pericardial cavity is that one, it reduces the friction between the layer of heart muscles. Second, it protect the hearts from mechanical injury and shocks that caused by any reason, and that reason may be the electric shock or sudden pressure on the hearts, or any type of the mental pressure causes our hearts is collapse or shocks. Internal structure, the heart is divided into two parts by the type of layer, that is septum, and septum is divided our heart longitudinally into two parts, and that two parts is known as the bicapsid mitral valves and tricapsid mitral valves. The right part is known as the tricapsid autoventricular valves that is existed in the right side of our body. Similarly, the left side consists the bicapsid mitral valves that is known as autoventricular valves, and that is exists in the left side of our body, and it is conceived inside our body, and that prevent the internal shocks and mechanical injury of our hearts, and it also helps to flow the heart blood from one chamber to another chambers of our hearts. Our hearts contains main four chambers, that is auricles and ventricles. Auricles is divided into two parts, that is left auricle and right auricles. Similarly, the ventricles also divided into left ventricles and right ventricle. Right auricles and right ventricles always collect right auricles and right ventricles always collect impure blood that is come out from different parts of our organs. Similarly, the left auricles and left ventricles collect the pure bloods that comes out from the lungs and that able to transmit the various part of our body. So here we have to know that the oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. Oxygenated means those type of blood that is pure and that content the amount of oxygen is maximum nearly more than 21%, and deoxygenated blood is those type of the blood that is the carbon dioxide containing blood and that is impure and that is come out from different part of our organs, and that goes to the kidney for purification. So student, we have to know there is two type of bloods and that blood is come out from various part of our body, that is deoxygenated blood and those blood that is oxygenated that contains our lungs, that is purified. So your homework is that draw the external structure of the hearts and write the function of the pericardial fluids and pericardial cavity and describe the hearts in details using neat and clean level diagram. Okay, bye.